Pilayo. Pass to Brian J. Audrey, wala. Os. Os, Maurel. Second personal foul and first in foul, Andrino. Mitante, pass to Auman. Auman back to Mitante. Mitante for 3.
Ay, sayang. Ay.
Nakuha ni Brian.
Oops.
Lucky foul by Kido, number 15. First personal foul and first in foul El Hermano.
Ay.
Second in foul Hermano.
Lumayo ba ni si Gido? Ni putot ba? Mayo ng putot Gido.
First basket. No count.
Ng 15.
Second basket. Wala. Nakuha ni Auman. Auman. Pass to Guido. Guido control the ball. Pass to Mitante. Mitante. Nangita. Nangita. Pass to Guido. Guido for 3.
Ay, makabot.
Osmar. First personal foul Kandama. Second and foul Imperial. First basket for the second row. Jumpers get ready. Wala. Nakuha ni Brian J. Paso. Intercept by
Oops.
malapitan to Piralyo. Take to shoot.
Ay! Dali! 1 point. Ay, day do or die ko.
First personal foul number 0. Third and foul Imperial. Connect. Ang score 41 against 30. Brian G. Pass to Pilayo. Pilayo. For 10 shoot. Os foul rep. Mitante. First personal foul Mitante. Third and foul El Hermano. For the first throw. Not counted. For the second throw. For net. Yes. What one? Guido. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Piralyo. 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 Back to Guido. Guido to Mitante. Mitante. Pula blue. Wala. Nakuha ni malapitan. Malapitan. For jumper. Jumper. 2 points. Malapitan. Ang oras na 3 minutes and 7. Pilayo dribbling the ball. Back to number 0. For take the shoot. Pass to Pilayo. Brian G. 2 points. Brian G. Sa. Mitante for 2. Wala.
Oops.
Pilayo. Os foul rep. Mitante. Second personal foul Mitante. Warning for penalty ang atong El Hermano. 2 minutes and 21 ang atong oras. Connect for the front row. For the second row. Jumpers get ready. Rebound by Kapitan. Pass to Guido.
Manaya?
Beralio.
Amang 100.
Back to
Asa man ang
Malapitan.
money?
Malapitan for three.
Asa ang money?
Lost foul red.
Ay, magbutang na yun.
Number 25, Pirayo. First personal foul and warning for penalty ang atong Piral. Both team are warning for penalty. Going to shoot. Back to Pirayo. Pirayo. For two. 2 points, Pirayo. 45 against 34 ang atong score. Atong oras 1 minute and 36. Lepon. To Kanama. Kanama. 2 points, Kanama. Kide. Pass to Metante. Pasa. Kauman wala.
Uy!
Pass to Pirayo. Wala.
Dali!
Ako ni Brian T.
Dali.
Pass. Wala. Intercept ni Kide. Andrino.
Wala asa.
2 points, Andrino. 1 minute and 15. Wala ni goal. 1 minute ang atong oras. 14 to shoot. Beralio for 3.
Nice one.
3 points, Beralio. 49 seconds ang atong oras. Beralio pa. Pass ka Andrino. Pass to Brian Lee. Wala. Nakuha ni Beralio. Beralio. Ako na lang.
Ay!
Metante for 2. For follow up. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 19 seconds. Malapitan. Rebound. So good to shoot. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 3 seconds.